Miranda, can you implement this component?
I don't know how to do that. I haven't taken CSE3 yet. Hey Calvin, could you implement this?
Have you guys heard of Blueprint?
Yeah, I heard that was really cool.
Blues Clues? Wait, I mean Blueprint?
Yeah, Blueprint's a web app that lets us take a paper template and turn it into an HTML file.
Yeah, all you have to do is just take a photo. Okay, let me take a photo right now.
Yeah, just send it to me.
Okay, I sent it.
Alright. Got it. Alright, let's go into my account and let's try this out.
This is Blueprint?
Yeah, so this is Blueprint's login page. Here we have a tutorial video for beginners, as well as a short list of instructions, if any user is looking for a quick start.
That's so cool. Do I need anything to register?
All you need is a Gmail account, and your Blueprint account will be linked to that account. Let me log in. So here is the home page. You can access your folders and generated HTML templates. We can enter the folder by either clicking on the folder icon or the name of the folder. In the top right, we can easily sort our folders by either alphabetical order or by creation date. Since we're starting out, let's create a new folder and name it testing folder.
So now that I have the photo of my design on the computer, how would I generate the HTML file?
Great question. All you would have to do is to click on the blue button on the bottom right corner of the screen again and select Upload Template. This will prompt you to select a picture from your file system, or you could also drag and drop if you wanted to. Blueprint will run its magic and your template will be generated shortly. As you can see, the template has finished uploading, so we can now click the name to enter a text editor for the template.
So what you're saying is we can edit our HTML pages on this web application as well?
Yeah. Here we have a text editor on the right and the rendered HTML on the left. Changing parts of the code in the text editor will also change the rendered HTML in real time, which will help with rapid prototyping and make the editor easier to use. After we're finished with our updates, we can either save or download our changes.
Wow, I get it now. This seems like a really cool application. Is there anything else you can do with the templates?
Yeah, so we could click on these three bubbles and we would get a list of options that we can apply to our template. For example, we could move our template to another folder. We could rename our template. And we could also delete our template. Similar tasks can be found for the folders as well.
Great, thanks for showing me this demo.
No problem.
Hey, do you guys remember our 110 project from last year?
Yeah, there were so many artifacts, right?
What did we build anyway? Didn't we build a girlfriend finder for Josh using the neural net?
It didn't work!
Do you guys remember what we used to build it?
I think we used a Blueprint to make the web.
Oh yeah, I remember now. Hey, Betty, why don't we go check it out again? Sure.
Hey, why don't we check out Gallery, where we can see the code that other people have publicly posted.
That sounds like a great idea, Josh. Wow, this looks like a cool template. Let's preview it.
I wonder what happened to our old code. Can we check it out?
Oh, here's our girlfriend finder folder.
We should try to make this public. Maybe we can actually find your girlfriend.
As if. I think we just click public.
Let's see if it's actually in the gallery now.
Hey, it worked.
Are there any examples of past templates?
Oh, you should check out the gallery page.
What's the gallery?
Yeah, it's right there. The gallery page is where you can view public templates that people have posted for you to download.
Oh, okay, let's go there. What's this? Girlfriend finder template? Let's try to download it.
Wow, this girlfriend finder sucks.
Wow, that template was horrible.
Why would anyone even use this?
Yeah, no one's ever gonna find a girlfriend with this.
Let's try downloading another one.
Okay, it looks like my internet's broken, but it says I'm connected to UCSD protected.
So as for the backend side, we want to show the workflow of how we go from a user inputted template into working HTML code. First, we start with each image. We use OpenCV to pre-process out the noise in each image. Then we still use OpenCV to take out each of the rectangles in the template and then feed it into our neural net, which uses TensorFlow, and this will classify each rectangle. Now that we have the coordinates of the rectangles and the classification of each rectangles, we can feed it into our HTML generation code, which will create a tree of HTML tags and ultimately our final HTML code. So we coded all this in Python to make everything super compatible, and some of our biggest problems included using OpenCV because we had never done anything with it before, and especially for pre-process because different images have different lighting, and it was just very weird for us. The next one was when we had to create the neural net. We originally were using an API called Clarify. It wasn't compatible with our code around like week 7 or week 8. And so we had to create our own neural net from scratch from the bottom up.
So for the integration side of the team, we decided to use AWS for most of our services because we wanted an ecosystem that could both host our website as well as have a database and a host for a backend server. So we decided to use S3. This is mainly for hosting our website and for any of our HTML or CSS templates. We decided to use the Lambda function, and this is mainly because it will help run the backend code. And we decided to use DynamoDB because it was a compatible database within our ecosystem. Our greatest challenge was definitely integrating TensorFlow code into the Lambda function because the TensorFlow code was originally built to run on local machines, and just integrating parts of that code onto the Lambda function created a lot of memory errors that we had to debug.
React is the UI library that we use to build Blueprint. React lets us split our UI into thoughtful components and handles all the hard re-rendering logic for us while staying performant. Another big reason that we use React is that React has a strong developer community around it, so it's very easy for our members who are not used to React to learn it. One of the harder problems we faced during UI development for Blueprint was building the edit template UI. So to edit our template, we wanted a full-fledged code editor in the browser, complete with tabs for HTML and CSS and things like syntax highlighting and an undo stack. This was very hard to do in like the 4 or 5 weeks that we had to do it, so we actually managed to port over VS Code into the browser, which was a really cool experience. Another big thing that we did was that every time you edit your HTML on the editor, it automatically re-renders on the view without any page reloads, which is a great user experience.
This video is brought to you by Team HTML. Thanks for watching.
Yay! Wow, that's a really cool product. I can really see myself using it for future projects. Oh hey, what is this video?
Hi, and welcome to Agile Academy.